Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the failed to load its core DLL error in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started. Step 1. Repair through Settings. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings and open it. Go to Apps on the left, then Installed Apps and scroll to find Adobe Acrobat. Click the three dots next to it and choose Modify. In the pop-up window, click Next, then Repair, and finally Update. This process will scan and fix any file issues. Once it's done, click Finish and check if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Repair installation in Acrobat. If Adobe Acrobat opens, you can repair it directly. Go to the Help menu in the top left and select Repair Installation. If prompted, click Yes and let it complete the repair. Step 3. Adjust security settings. If the issue persists, open Adobe Acrobat, go to Preferences in the left-hand menu, and scroll to Security Enhanced. Uncheck Enable Protected Mode at Startup and click Yes on the security prompt. Restart the application and see if the error is gone. Step 4. Use the Registry Editor. If you're still stuck, search for Registry Editor in the Start menu and open it. Expand HKEY Current User. Expand Software. Expand Adobe. Expand Adobe Acrobat DC. Expand Privileged. Locate Be Protected Mode. Double-click it and set the value data to 0. Click OK, then close the editor. Step 5. Update Adobe Acrobat. Finally, open Adobe Creative Cloud. Go to Home and check for Updates under Updates on the right. If there's an update for Adobe Acrobat, install it to ensure you're running the latest version. And that's it. These steps should resolve the core DLL error in Adobe Acrobat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.